In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove Cloudflare from Google Chrome, and most importantly, why you keep seeing Cloudflare checks in the first place. Let's begin. Okay, so Cloudflare is a security and performance service used by many websites, and you usually see it when a website is protecting itself from bots or attacks, or maybe your IP address looks suspicious, or you are using a VPN, proxy, or ad blocker, or of course, your browser or cookies and cache are corrupted, which we are going to fix later. Or if you are visiting a site with high security settings. Now, let me tell you that Cloudflare is not a Chrome extension or not a virus, alright? It's controlled by the website you are visiting, not Chrome itself. Now, here's the good thing. First of all, if you are using Google Chrome, I just want you to click the three dots icon on the top corner and then scroll down to the settings. Now here, all I have to do is hover to the privacy and security, and I want you to go to the delete browsing data. Now, you don't have to delete your browsing history, your cached images and files, or even your download history. All I have to do is delete the cookies and other site data, okay? And click the delete data, but please remember that you cannot completely remove Cloudflare from Chrome if a website uses it, okay? Because Cloudflare is server-side, meaning only the website owner can disable it. Now, after clicking the delete data, try to go to the website that you have previously visited to see if that works. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to remove Cloudflare from Chrome. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.